Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's date is 24 August 2022 and today's video topic is about difference between Java and JavaScript. Now we will see what are the functions of these two languages and why they are introduced. So basically we will see the structure of web application. Means there is a user interface, then functional unit, and then a database. Java is used for programming, that means for logical things in functional unit, and JavaScript is integrated in means JavaScript is used in user interface and it is integrated in HTML. Now we will see the main difference between Java and JavaScript. So Java is a programming language and JavaScript is a scripting language. Then Java is object oriented programming language and JavaScript is object based programming language. Java is stand-alone programming language and JavaScript is not a stand-alone programming language. The variables that we declared in Java program, they are strongly typed variables. That means for example, if we declare variable int a, that means we only store integer value in that particular variable. But it is not same in JavaScript. JavaScript is loosely typed variables. That means there is loosely typed programming language. That means the variables that we declares in JavaScript are not means we can means we declare in var a, so we can store any type of data in that variable. Then Java is when we Java is when we want to compile, so Java is compiled. Means we Java is execution is before compilation, and if we want to compile JavaScript program, we have to integrate that program into HTML. Now for compiling or running Java program, we doesn't require web browser, but in JavaScript web browser is essential. Java is very complex language, but JavaScript is very simple language. Java is developed by Sun Microsystems and JavaScript is developed by Netscape. Then we use extensions keyword like in Java program we use extensions like .java, and in JavaScript we use extensions in are like .js. So that's all from my side. Thank you.